Hi, welcome to RideAlongside. Today we're doing the long-term review on the E13 TRS Plus cassette. Let's take a look. Alright, so I put up a video taking a first look and doing an unboxing on the TRS Plus cassette about a year and a half ago. It's been a long time and this review is well overdue. But one of the reasons why I wanted to wait so long is to really wear out this cassette and see how long it would take for me to wear it out. And I really haven't been able to do that, with one caveat. So let's go over some of the points here first. What drew me to this product originally? Well, it's got a really wide range. Their current 11-speed TRS Plus cassette is a 9 to 46 tooth. That's 511% gear range. That's huge. The 9 tooth especially is what drew me to this cassette. Now, I hadn't had any experience with E13 in the past, but I have had experience with Shimano and SRAM. Slightly preferring Shimano products over SRAM stuff, just my experience. But I wanted to give a third company a try, and there's other companies out there like Sunrace and others that I'd also like to try out, but just haven't had the time to yet. E13 cassettes really appealed to me because of that 9-tooth cog specifically. My Trek stash only allows a 32-tooth max chainring, so getting a smaller cog on there meant that I could go a little bit faster on the flats, the roads, the downhills. So that's what initially drew me to this product. Did the E13 TRS Plus cassette live up to that purpose that I was hoping for? Yes, it did. It absolutely did. I was able to get a lot faster speeds on my top end than I ever was before, and I'd probably ever be able to in the future. Alright, what I liked about this cassette. Number one, it lasts. It lasts through all kinds of abuse. I can show you, I left it dirty just so you guys could take a look at how trashed it is. And actually, there's not a whole lot of wear. On these outer three cogs, those are aluminum. There's a little bit more wear on those, but to be honest, it's shifting really well still after all these years and abuse. And I haven't really taken that great of care of it, to be honest. What else do I like about this cassette? Well, it's reasonably lightweight. It's able to be upgraded. So that was one of the other reasons I was somewhat interested in this cassette. And I'll get into that in just a minute. But I also like that it does have a wide range. It could have a narrower range, and that could be better for shifting performance, but it's got a wide range and it shifts well. Alright, what didn't I like about this cassette? One thing, and only one thing really. I mean, the price could be better, but I could say that about a whole lot of components. It's a well-made product, so I think it's worth paying a premium if this is a product that you plan on keeping long-term on your bike until it wears out completely. However, there was one major hiccup. So, this tooth right here broke off. It was a rough shift. I must admit that I was not shifting very gently, and it was on my 60-mile 40th birthday ride, which you can take a look at that video. I'll put a card up in the right corner as well for you. But this is when it was set up 10-speed. Now, you can't get the 10-speed cassette from E13 anymore. At least I believe you can't. But originally that's how this cassette came. And when this tooth broke off, I actually had the opportunity to upgrade to 11-speed. And the cool thing about the TRS Plus cassette back then, that's not offered anymore, is that they sold it either as a 10-speed or 11-speed cassette. Now, when it was 10-speed, it was 9 to 42, and if you look at the unboxing video, you can see me talking about it there. But this was a 35 tooth cog and then a 42 tooth cog for the 10 speed. Now, this tooth broke off of this 35 tooth cog. I still rode on this. It was probably 25 miles into my 60-mile ride where this broke off, and I was still able to use this easiest gear, this biggest cog, on all the rest of the ride and shift it up into there no problem. So that was pretty impressive, to be honest. The other thing that was very impressive was that E13 got me a new set of cogs, these aluminum cogs, right away. Now, I upgraded to 11 speed from the 10 speed cassette, and you may be wondering, well, didn't you need to change the rest of the cogs? No, it's the same spacing. It worked out just great. I just had to change to 11 speed chain, 11 speed rear derailleur, 11 speed shifter, and I was good to go. I just had to upgrade these two to the 3 that are on the cassette now. And I've been running at 11 speed ever since February of 2018. So it's been over a year that I've been running at 11 speed, and I loved it. No problems with the 11 speed setup. Would I recommend it to others? Absolutely. I totally recommend the E13 TRS Plus cassette. It's got a wide range, it's quality, and it seems to last a real long time in my experience. Who is it best suited for? Well, I would say somebody who's looking to use this cassette long term until it wears out. It is taking me a long time to wear this cassette out, and I'm abusing it, so I highly recommend it. Anyway, my name is Nick from RideAlongside. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe please, and I'll have more content for you real soon.